Hi, Jenny here. Good morning. It's the middle of October here, and in the northern hemisphere that means it's dark at 6:30 in the morning when I have to take my daughter to school. That makes for a tired morning, so I like to get as much sleep in as possible. That also means I kind of need a quick, easy breakfast that I can eat before I get out of the house. So this morning I'm going to make some blueberry pumpkin muffins. That will be a nice treat in the morning when I get up. So right now you can join me with some vanilla tea while we make our muffins. Let's get started. This recipe calls for some flour, sugar, oatmeal, milk, pumpkin, baking powder, salt, blueberries, butter, nutmeg, cinnamon, and an egg. Here we go. Yeah, I know it would be nice to see all of me, but the way my kitchen is set up, it just doesn't happen. So, we're going to use 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of oats. So get this one. I went to the grocery store today because I didn't have very many oats in my container. And I also needed nutmeg. And so I had oats on my list, but I wasn't wearing my glasses, and I thought it said cats. And so I thought my daughter was playing a trick on me and put cats on my list. I even texted her and asked her. Nope, when I got home and put my glasses on, looked at my list, it was oats. So I have some extra old-fashioned oats that I will use to make up for what I need for that. So we're going to measure that dry ingredients out on a regular bowl first. So again, 3/4 cup of flour. I'll go through the rest of the ingredients. And 3/4 cup of oats. Quick cooking. Not too bad. Two-thirds cup of sugar. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, which I just bought this morning. Woo! 'We need a 1/4 cup of butter melted, so that's half a stick. So I'm going to put that in the microwave and melt that. And in the meantime, we're also going to mix together 1 egg, half a cup of pumpkin, half a cup of milk, and 3/4 cup of fresh blueberries. All right, there's our pumpkin batter. I'm going to fold in the 3/4 cups of blueberries. There's some big blueberries. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. I have my little muffin tin here, and I put some cute little cupcake liners in there. And we're going to scoop out the batter in there, and then I'm going to put a couple extra fresh blueberries on top. Make sure at least that each one does get some blueberries. And then we will bake them for 20 minutes. Alright, here they are, all baked up. You can tell that they're kind of done. They spring back a little bit. They're a little bouncy. They're not mobile at all. When you take them out, they don't shake or anything. They're pretty solid. So now we will let them cool a little bit and give them a taste test. Oh, and the refrigerator is going to kick in too. Great. Let's see if you can hear me over the refrigerator. Okay, so the muffins have cooled now. Let's give them a taste test. Oh yeah, delicious. I'm looking forward to having one of those for breakfast tomorrow. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know if you guys like to eat muffins and what your favorite recipe is. I hope you're able to enjoy the season right now. It's fall here, and our trees outside are so beautiful. There's so many different colors. I love any time I have to go outside or drive anywhere. I really enjoy looking at the trees. So let me know in the comments below where you're from, and if it's fall for you right now, and if you happen to have the pretty colors. Last year we didn't have so many pretty colors, so I'm like really enjoying it this year. So anyways, I hope you guys keep it positive and go make it a great day. Bye-bye! One morning. See if you can hear me over the refrigerator. What am I making? Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Right to get it off. I'll make lots of noise. Take you along for the ride. Well, this is sloppy. I should probably use a spoon.